In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Deepseek API key. This process is straightforward, and in just a few minutes, you'll have your own API key ready to use. Whether you're new to Deepseek or just need a refresher, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Deepseek platform account. Head over to the Deepseek website and enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. It's important to ensure that you're logged in successfully because, from here, we'll be navigating to different sections of the platform. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find a menu with various options. Click on the one labeled API Keys. This section is where you can manage all the API keys associated with your account, making it a crucial step in this process. If you're unfamiliar with API keys, they are essentially unique codes that allow your applications to communicate and interact with the Deepseek services you're utilizing. Now that you're on the API keys page, look for a button or link that says Create New API Key and click on it. This action sets the ball rolling for generating a new key. You might notice that the interface is quite user-friendly, designed to be intuitive even for those who aren't tech-savvy. With the window for creating a new API key open, you'll need to name your API key. This step is more important than it seems. By giving your API key a clear and specific name, you'll easily identify its purpose later on, especially if you decide to create multiple keys for different applications or projects. For instance, if you're planning to use it for a specific app, include the app name in the label. After naming your API key, the next step is to create it. Simply click on the button labeled Create API Key. This process is usually instantaneous, adding your new key to the list of existing ones. The interface will update, indicating that your new key is now part of your API key library. The final step is to copy your newly created API key. Once you see the option to copy, click on it to ensure you have it saved securely. This key will be essential for integrating and authorizing your applications with Deepseek services. Remember, API keys are sensitive, so avoid sharing them publicly or with unauthorized persons. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Deepseek API key. This simple process empowers you to enhance your applications by harnessing the full suite of Deepseek services. Make sure to keep your key secure and periodically review your API keys list to manage any active or unused keys. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.